guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm gonna show you the methods using for import photos into Illustrator. As you all know, Illustrator is commonly used for digital vector drawings, to create banners, etc. So image is a must needed factor in this. So let's open Illustrator first. Okay, so this is the Illustrator workspace. Commonly there are two methods to import photos. Okay, the method number one, go to file, then new. A small window will appear and this window can change according to the Illustrator versions we used or the Windows versions we used. We can name the file here. Okay, we can choose a profile from here, choose basic RGB, and we can choose the number of artboards we want from here. Okay, I choose just one artboard. Okay, so we created a artboard. To import a photo into this, go to file and place. We can use the shortcut Shift Ctrl plus P. Okay, place, choose this one, place. Okay, we can uniformly place this image by holding Shift plus Alt and drag like this. Okay, this is the first method. Okay, the method number two, copy the image from the file location. And simply place it here by using the shortcut Ctrl plus V. Okay, this is the simple method. Okay, you can directly open an image using file, open, and Illustrator will automatically create an artboard below the image. So try these methods. Hope you like this tutorial and it helps you. For more tutorials like this, please subscribe, and thanks for watching. Bye.